Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. I have something for you to share a coffee table ideas. Coffee table have come a long way from the dark wood rectangles you probably grew up with. Nowadays you can find coffee tables ranging from round to square, wood to glass, bulky to minimalist, so you can fully achieve your desired vibe and even store some blankets and hide clutter. The best coffee tables not only add some character to your space, but they are also built to last and able to withstand the wear and tear that's bound to happen when you use them for eating, working, and kicking up your feet. Here are the best coffee tables for every style. It's hard to choose the very best coffee table, but this one from Wayfair's in-house found stone brand really does check all the boxes, combining the best of modern and Scandinavian style. The Arlo coffee table is made of wood and features flared legs and open lower shelf and a clean white top, so you get plenty of style. Plus, kindly subscribe my channel, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. You also get the choose between two finishes. Natural lanes more Scandi while pecan amps up the mid-century vibes because it's so simple and versatile. It will work well in just about any living room setup. The bottom shelf is equally multifunctional. Leave it open to display coffee tables, book and magazines, or add some storage bins to keep toys, blanket and other odds and end contained. The coffee table from idea proves that upgrading your space doesn't have to drain your back bank account. This classic two-tiered coffee table has a timeless rectangular design that fits for you. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel.